for a warm-up for this investigation, the scenario is Dylan and Simon went to a bring your own snack party. Simon spent 10 pennies and 16 dimes. Dylan spent as much as Simon, but his coins consisted of only quarters and nickels. How many nickels did Dylan spend? All right, there's several ways that you could do this. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're only gonna do it one way. All right, so Simon spent 10 pennies and 16 dimes. So the first thing to do is to figure out how much money did Simon spend. So Simon, all right, 10 pennies is just 10 cents. And 16 dimes, I'm just gonna say dimes. So that equals $1.60. And so in total, Simon spent $1.70. All right, so now the question is, we know Dylan spent just as much as Simon did, but his coins consisted of only quarters and nickels. So ideally what you want to do is, well, the ideal way that I would do it is I would start with quarters first and figure out how many quarters can I get out of $1.70. So out of $1.70, so quarters equals, I can get 4 is $1. Let me see. All right, I better write this out. 4 equals $1. 6 equals $1.50. And that's as close as I can get without going over, because the next thing would be $1.75, which is too much. All right, so the most Dylan can have is 6 quarters, and I have 20 cents left. 20 cents left to go. And a nickel is 5 cents. So 5 times 4 equals 20 cents. So therefore, Dylan has 6 quarters and 4 nickels. All right, so that's our final answer. Okay, so again, there's a lot of different ways to do this, as long as your answer makes sense. Some people may decide to do nickels first. Some people may decide to mix it up. It's your explanation that actually determines if you're right or wrong. Okay.